There's an improvement of Kova's outer bound by Sato in 1978. It was determined by him, and he used a property that we already used a lot of times, that the capacity region for the broadcast channel depends only on its marginal channels. So it doesn't depend fully on this probability, but it depends on both marginal of this probability here. And if you apply this, then you get another region. Then the region is a little bit complicated than Kova's region, but it's really an improvement in general. So for example, for the sum rate bound, you get here a min, max, and then the mutual information between x, y1, and y2. And the minimization is taken over all this probability distribution, which have as marginals py1x and py2x. So we improve Kova's idea, in principle based on Kova's idea, but also additional using this simple property of broadcast channel, we get an improved outer bound for the broadcast channel.